Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a Netflix style platform with zero code using Solo in 2025. So we are going to be creating a streaming like catalog, video pages and a clean front end all without coding. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on solo.io. The first thing that you need to do here is to simply click on this get started option in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to fill out this form. After filling it, you just have to click on the option of submit. So once you do this, a representative from Solo will be assigned to you on the date and the time that you have selected. Only then you are going to get your login credentials. So once you log in your Solo AI account, you are going to see these types of tabs and the tools in the left hand section. So you can choose the media or the portfolio template here that is going to give you a grid layout. After that, you can upload the movies or episodes to secure the video host like Vimeo, Mux, or any of the streaming services. In Solo, you can add collection pages and each page represents a show or the movie. Then you can add the thumbnail, image, description, and tags like genre and release date. After that, you can try opening each and every page and add an embed block and paste the video player code from your host. You can use Solo's blocks to add a search bar and the categories like trending, new releases, or by genre. You can also create a featured carousel at the top to highlight your best content. Afterwards, you can preview the website and check the playback on the desktop and mobile. Make sure that the thumbnails load properly and it shows the search works and the videos play smoothly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.